We will start our lesson 4, Data Analysis with Python Part 4. In this session, we will learn how to find out the median of raw data. We have been given a list, or we can create a list of numbers, unsorted or sorted, and then we have to find out the median. In normal case, what we do manually, we arrange the data in ascending or descending order, and the number which lies in the center is the median. If the total number of numbers is even, then the two numbers at the center, they are used to find out the mean, and that mean will become the median of that number. Let us start a simple, say list 1 is equal to, say these numbers are 5, 2, 4, 8, 7, 6. Say simple numbers. Now they are 6 in numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the median will be, when we arrange them in serial, ascending order or descending order, the central two numbers, the mean of the central two numbers will become the median. How we do it in pandas? How we do it in Python? We import, this is going to be a very simple exercise. We are going to import statistics. Import statistics, and we are going to just write down list 1. List 1 will tell us what are the numbers we get, and we run it. The list 1 is already given with this. Now we have already imported statistics, so we will say x is equal to statistics dot median within bracket list 1. Okay, let us say whether it runs. Yes, it will run, and we will say tell me the x. What is x? And I will run it. It will give me 5.5. Median is 5.5. Now let us change the list. Let us change the list. Now I am going to make the changes in the list 1. List 1, instead of 6 numbers, we will take 7 numbers or some other 8, 9 numbers. 6, 1, 3, 8, 9, 10. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We will add one more, 3. Now let us see now. X is equal to statistics dot median list 1. So automatically it makes the arrangement of finding the mean of the central numbers, or if it is numbers are odds, then automatically it will give us the central number. Will say print within bracket the median of our list, our numbers is, and then we will write down here comma, and we'll say x. Let us run it, whether there is anything. it is median of our numbers is 6, because after arranging it, it has simply found out the central number, that is 6. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will find out the median of the group data, not in class intervals. Then we will find out the median with the class intervals. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video.
Leader is basically known within his geographical territory, whereas the scholar is known in the world, meaning that we talk about Einstein. Einstein research E is equal to mc square, and there are so many Thomas Alva Edison we talk about, though Thomas Alva Edison died a long time ago. We talk about Wright brothers. We talk about so many other, William Harvey. And so the scholars are known, or even we have got a scholar like Shakespeare. So scholars are known in the world. It is not, that is why I'm saying it is a noble journey. It's a noble task that one has to embark upon. And once they have done that, now Einstein died more than 70 years ago, we still remember Einstein and his contributions. So just because he's a scholar. So scholar, you go and ask in Thailand, you go and ask in Liberia or Malawi or Burkina Faso, do you know Einstein? People, children, particularly students, they will say, yes, we know. We heard about, we read about. So that is the beauty of research.
You may submit your research work at Journal of Global Economy, rcssindia.org. Your work is evaluated by peers with double-blind methodology. You will get comments for your work. Thank you.